I've been comparing Pipedrive and Attio throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review on which one might actually be better for your business. Pipedrive has long been a reliable CRM for sales teams who need clarity and structure in their pipeline. It's straightforward to use, with features like deal tracking, email sync, workflow automation, and goal reporting that help teams stay productive without getting bogged down in unnecessary tools. If your focus is primarily on closing deals and keeping your sales process clean and efficient, Pipedrive delivers consistently well. Attio, on the other hand, is a newer CRM that leans more toward flexibility and customization. It's built more like a database, where you can design your own workflows and structures, making it great for startups and teams that don't fit into a traditional sales model. The interface is sleek, and it's packed with collaboration tools, real-time activity tracking, and auto-enrichment of contact data. However, Attio might feel too open-ended if you just want a ready-to-go CRM with a sales-first approach. So if you want something structured, simple, and focused on sales productivity, Pipedrive is your tool. But if you're after a customizable CRM that adapts to how your team works, not the other way around, Attio is a strong contender. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.